In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Shopify Collaborator code in 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to smooth out the process of working with collaborators, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, you'll want to head over to the Shopify website. If you don't have it bookmarked already, simply type in the web address in your browser's search bar and hit enter. Once you are on the Shopify homepage, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to log in to your Shopify admin panel. If you aren't already logged in, enter your credentials carefully to gain access. Now that you are logged into the Shopify admin panel, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a variety of menu options. Locate the Settings option towards the bottom of the list. Go ahead and give it a click. Once inside the Settings menu, click on Users and Permissions. This area manages who can access your Shopify store and what they can do while they're there. As you scroll through the Users and Permissions page, you'll want to focus on the section labeled as Security. Within this category lies the Collaborators section, which is essential for granting access to your store. Collaborators are typically professionals, like developers or marketers, who might need limited access to your store to perform necessary tasks. In this Collaborators section, you'll find an option to either generate a new collaborator code or locate an existing one if you've already set this up before. If this is your first time, you'll click to generate a new code. This will create a 4-digit numerical code specifically for collaboration purposes. If you've previously set this up, just scroll through and find your existing code so you can use it again. Once you have your 4-digit code, whether newly generated or found, you'll need to share it with the person you wish to collaborate with. Make sure you provide this code to your collaborator accurately to ensure they can gain the necessary access without any hiccups. You might choose to share this via email or a team messaging platform, ensuring that this information gets to them securely. This quick and straightforward setup will allow your collaborator to easily connect with your store and contribute efficiently to your projects. By following these instructions, you've taken a big step towards empowering your team or collaborators. Remember that effective collaboration can significantly boost your productivity and streamline various tasks within your online store. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.